All right, boys and girls, here we go. Ready for some more word work today. The first thing we do is always the same. Nice job, boys and girls. We're going to practice with our robot words today. Pretty simple. You guys remember this from last week. It doesn't take very long, so we'll get this done. The first word I want you to write is bat. B-A-T. Bat. We're going to do some short A and some short I words. So that was a short A, and now we're going to do short I. Let's do him. Him. Good. Let's do a short A word. We'll make a little pattern. This one's going to be Dan because it's the name of a person. It needs to start with a capital. D, capital D, A-N. Good. Next word is going to be a short I word. Let's do bit. B-I-T. Good, nice job. Okay, now we need to do a short A word. Let's do cap. K-A-P. Cap. Good. We have 3 more words to go. Let's do mitt. M-I-T. Good, mitt. The next word we're going to write is fan. F-A-N. Fan. Now we're going to write fan, but we're going to change the short A, to short I, which means the word is fin. Good job, boys and girls. You can go ahead and color the robots, or you can put it in your mailbox and start on your Lexia.